Ah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ayaw ko ba't ayaw? Ayaw mo na.
Happy birthday.
Okay, okay na Tristan! Bago tayo kumain, gusto ko mag-thank you ka na ulit sa lahat ng ating sa lahat ng classmates mo. Say thank you.
Thank you
For attending
for attending
my
my
birthday
birthday
party.
party.
I
I
hope
hope
you
you
enjoy
enjoy
my
my
party.